Good morning everyone, I am Marcel Ioannos October from BSP1D and I am going to report the sunny Spain. First, after finishing the fourth year of his medical course in University of Santo Tomas, Jose Rizal being disgusted with the method of instruction in the Dominican-owned university and the racial prejudice of Dominican professors against Filipino students decided to study in abroad. May 13, 1882 si Rizal departed on board sa Spain and katong si Salvador bound for Singapore nga nagilak dayon si Rizal kay nagkuha og papel nagkuha lapis o papel para i-scratch niya ang katsada sa view kay naami siya. During the voyage and carefully observe the people and things on the board. The steamer there were 16 passengers. He was the only Filipino and the rest were Spaniards, British and Indians, Negros. The captain of the ship, Donato Lesia, befriended the Rizal to kill boredom for the voyage. Rizal played chess with his fellow passenger, defeated many times. During sa yung trip, nag-observe si Rizal sa iyang palibot sa mga tao dito. Sa mga tao sa kauban niya sa ship kay siya ra isa ka Pinoy tapos ang uban kay Spaniards, Indians o British. Then na-enjoy siya dito kay nagdula siya chess. On May 9, 1882, the Salvador docked the Singapore. He then stayed at Hotel de la Paz and spent 2 days on a sitting of the city garden and the beautiful bunches, templates, the Bishop Shopping District and the statue of Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles, who was the founder of Singapore. Sa June 9 May 9, 18 ito si Salvador nag-book dito sa Hotel de la Paz dito siya nagstay at og 2 days. Nagtanaw siya sa palibot Japon and nakita niya ang katong famous statue ni Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles. Rizal boarded the ship Dimea, which was the French steamer, and left Singapore for Europe. On May 11, it was carried more passengers. Rizal attempted to converse with his fellow passenger in French, but he found out that his book French could not be understood. He spoke mixed Spanish and Latin, with the help sketching the papers. Sakan pagka May 11 si Rizal gilakaw na siya sa Singapore, gadto na siya Europe. Tapos na siya naka-istorya dito nga nga French nga di kasabot dili sila magkasinabot tapos si Rizal kay nag-istorya lang gi-mix niya ang istorya sa Spanish o Latin nga word para makasabot ang then gamit ang nagsulat siya sa papel para magkasinabot silang duwa. On May 17, the Dimea reached Point Galilee in seacoast town in southern Ceylon. Rizal was unimpressed by this town. On May 17, the Dimea Point Galilee and wala siya si Rizal kay wala na impress sa town sa bali sa lugar wala siya na impress bitaw. The following On the following days, the voyage resumed towards Colombo, the capital of Ceylon. After a few hours of sailing, Rizal reached the city. Rizal was amazed by the Colombo because on his scenic, beautiful, and elegant. Katong kwan na ma'am ba, tong amigo ni tong kaistorya ni Rizal ma'am kay wala siya na impress bitaw sa city, pero si Rizal ma'am kay giganahan siya kay tungod sa giganahan siya sa Colombo, tapos tsada ang mga building bitaw ma'am, so bali mga taga sa mga building kay mao man ang nakita ni Rizal dito ma'am. Mao tong giganahan siya sa kay mga tsada daw ang mga lugar. From Colombo, the Demea continued to voyage, crossing the Indian Ocean and the Cape Coast of Africa. Rizal signed the Bahrain Coast of Africa for the first time, which he called an immutable land but famous. The next stopover was in Aden. He found the city harder than Manila and was amazed to see the camels, for it was also his first time to seeing them. Na kan ma'am, sa next nila nga stopover ma'am kay kan nami si Rizal dito sa Aden. Kay nakakita siya mga camel. First time na nakita ang mga camel no. From Aden, the ship was proceed to the city of Suez and the Red Sea terminal of Suez Canal. Upon the arrival, Rizal disembarked the wind and setting. The Demea took 5 days in the travel. The Demea took 5 days of traverse the Suez Canal. Rizal was thrilled because it was his first time trip. Thought this canal, which was built by Ferdinand Lesseps at Port Said, Rizal landed in order to see the interesting sight. He was passionate to hear multiracial inhabitants speaking a wild varieties of language. Nagkuhan sila 5 days ma'am to travel the Suez Canal because then dito na naibalaan ma'am nga ang nagkuhan sa Suez Canal kay si Ferdinand de Lesseps. And pag land nila sa kon ma'am kay nagkuhan siya sa mga kon ma'am sa multiracials nga dili kay niya masabtan ang kon ay nagstorya sa mga language nga kon karon pa niya nga kon bitaw ma'am dili kay niya masabtan. From Port said the ship proceed on his way to Europe. And June 11, Rizal reached the Naples. The city praised Rizal because of its business activity and lively people and scientific beauty, and he was fascinated by the Mount Vesuvius of Castile. The castle of Saint Telmo and other historic site of the city. Pagland niya sa kon ma'am kay pag-abot niya sa Europe ma'am kay na-amaze siya sa kon mito ma'am sa mga mountain bitaw. The night of June 11, the streams took at the French harbor and Marshals. Rizal bid a farewell on his fellow passengers. He visited the famous statue DLF, where Dantes was enforced his stayed 2.5 days in Marbles. Nagkuhan ma'am, pagka June 11 ay pagka June 12 ma'am sa gabi kay nagita ni Rizal ang famous na Saint-Chu where Dantes was employed. Dito siya nag-stay of 2 days ma'am. 2 and a half days. Then on the afternoon of May 11, Rizal left Marseilles to proceed to Spain via train. He cruised the Fresenic stop for a day, which owned by Bon. After the passport infection, Rizal continued this trip by Rachel, finally reaching the Barcelona on June 16, 1882. His first impression of Barcelona was unfavorable. He thought of it and ugly and dirty residents on impulse. His letter inhospitable. Later he changed the impression and liked the city. He found it was a great city with an atmosphere and freedom and liberalism. He also found these people were open-hearted, hospitable, and courteous, and he enjoyed the promenading along Las Ramblas, which was the famous street in Barcelona. Pag abot ni sa Barcelona ma'am kay mo tong kuan ma'am na ugawan bitaw siya ma'am sa city o sa mga tao ma'am, wala siya na amaze ma'am sa Barcelona. Pero pagkakuan ma'am kay yadto siya sa lugar na Las Ramblas, which was the famous street in Barcelona. Yadto siya dito ma'am, dito siya nag-enjoy. Filipinos in Barcelona were some of his classmates in Ateneo. Welcome him. They give him a party at Cafe Plaza de Catalonia. After cause Rizal in turn give the latest news in the Philippines. In Barcelona, Rizal wrote the nationalistic essay entitled Amor Patrio, which was his first written article on Spain. Spain soil. He then sent the article to Bastilio Teodora Moran, publisher of the Diaryong Tagalog. Bastilio was deeply impressed by the article. Congratulate Rizal and ask Rizal to publish more articles. Then pagkuan ma'am kay buat si Rizal nga letter, tapos gisend niya kay naka-titled, ang titled ma'am kay Amor Patrio. Then hatag niya kay Bastilio Teodora Moran para i-public bitaw ma'am. Then si Bastilio Teodoro dan ma'am kay gias niya si Rizal nga na i-publish and magimo og more articles, more stories. Mo ni ang gihatag na mga letter ma'am. Amor Patrio ang title. Then on November 3, 1882, Rizal enrolled in the Universidad Central de Madrid. He took courses medicine and philosophy and letters. Aside from the two major courses, he also studied painting and sculpture in the Academy of Fine Arts in San Fernando. He took lessons in French, German, English under private instructors and practiced fencing and shooting in the Hall of Arms of Sanis Carbonell. On pagka June 3, ma'am, 1882, si Rizal nag-enroll sa Universidad Central de Madrid. And nag-study siya dito, ma'am, sa nagkuhan siya course nga medicine o philosophy, ma'am. Mao na yang gikuha nga duha ka course. Tapos nagkuhan po siya, ma'am, nag-study po siya painting o sculpture. O kuan fencing and shooting. Mao na yang gikuan, ma'am, sa Universidad Central de Madrid. Si Rizal lived a simple life in Madrid and knew that Spain to study and prepare himself for the service of his fatherland. He budgeted his money and time and never wasted peseta for gambling, wine and women, and Saturday evening visit the home of Don Pablo Ortega Rey, who lived with his son and daughter. Rizal then had a love affair of Consuelo Ortega Perez, the daughter of Don Pablo. Grabe ni si Rizal day. Na love affairs. Rizal, being a lonely man in a foreign country and far from his national land, was attached by Consuelo, beauty and visibly their love did not follow because he was still engaged to Leonora Rivera, and friends of Rizal is also in love with Consuelo. Pakakuan niya, ma'am, kay wala katong love affairs, ma'am, kay wala gyapon niya na pala yun, kay bali wala sila nagpakasal, kay si Rizal, ma'am, kay engaged naman kay Leonora Rivera. Yahay. Maura na, ma'am, tanan. Thank you.